What if Sun started singing?
No ways! AumSum is the best singer ever!
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Sun started singing, other stars may join the Sun. Planets may start packing their bags. Secondly, if Sun started singing, Sun may forget to give light. Planets may have to survive in darkness. Thirdly, if Sun started singing, Sun may sing very badly. Planets may have no option but to praise the Sun. Fourthly, if Sun started singing, planets might not be able to sleep well. They might try to stop Sun singing. Fifthly, if Sun started singing, other stars might get jealous. They might try to kidnap our Sun. Lastly, if Sun started singing, Sun may get a sore throat after a lot of singing. Planets might heave a sigh of relief.
To buy AumSum merchandise, visit AumSum.com.
What if Sun got bored?
No problem. I will keep the Sun entertained.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Sun got bored, it may just stop giving out light. This will not be good news for any of the planets. Secondly, if Sun got bored, it may start playing with solar flares. This will not be good news for people staying on planet Earth. Thirdly, if Sun got bored, Sun may invite his star friends over. Our days might just become extremely, extremely bright. Fourthly, if Sun got bored, Sun may start playing with comets. Planets may have to jump hard to save themselves. Fifthly, if Sun got bored, Sun may force aliens to keep him entertained. They may never visit our solar system again. Lastly, if Sun got bored, Sun may leave for a vacation. Other planets may have no option but to pack their bags and join him. What if Earth was replaced by the Sun?
Don't worry. AumSum will get our Earth back.
Oh, AumSum. Firstly, if Earth was replaced by the Sun, people living in cold places will definitely leave for a different planet. Secondly, if Earth was replaced by the Sun, other planets may move out. Sun might get very, very lonely. Thirdly, if Earth was replaced by the Sun, people who love to sleep might leave for a different planet. Fourthly, if Earth was replaced by the Sun, our beloved Moon might get tossed far, far away. Fifthly, if Earth was replaced by the Sun, there is no water on the Sun. We might have to jump to a different planet in order to take a bath. Lastly, if Earth was replaced by the Sun, all the mobile towers might get knocked off. People may be seen carrying landline phones on the streets.